Good morning students. Today we discuss about queue. Queue is a data structure like stack, and queue is based on the concept of first in first out. That is, the first element which is added to the queue is the first one to be removed from the queue. Example of the queue is that line at the ticket counter. The person who comes first will serve first. Queue follows the FIFO structure. According to its FIFO structure, element inserted first will also be removed from the list first. In a queue, one end is always used to insert data and it is known as enqueue, and the other end is used to delete the data, that is known as dequeue, because both the ends of a queue are open. See, in an example, we can inserting element from the front end and deleting elements from the rear end. So we can perform operations on a queue by using front and rear. Rear pointer is used to delete an element, and front pointer is used to add an element into the queue. Now, applications of a queue. First is synchronization. When data are transferred to a synchronized device, then queue is used to synchronize them. Next is scheduling. When resources are shared among multiple consumers, then queue is used for scheduling, and in scheduling the queue share the resources among the process who comes first. Then in searching, we can use queue in searching also, like breadth first search in graph theory. Then in interrupt handling, for handling multiple interrupts as the order they arrive, we used queue. Means the interrupt comes first will be served first, because queue works on the concept of FIFO, first in first out. Then next is implementation of queue by using list. The concept of queue implementation is very easy in Python, because it supports inbuilt functions of list like insert and pop for queue implementation, and by using these functions we can make a code short and simple for queue implementation. And to add an item at the front of the queue, that is to enqueue an item, we can use insert function, and to perform dequeue operation we can use pop function of the list, which we have discussed in a previous class. Now these functions work quite efficiently and they are fast in end operations. So this is all about the queues implementation, queues operation, and the concept of a queue. Thank you.